Chapter 22, Submitting a Maintenance Request. To create a report, go to the Request module. Select your database and log in using your requester profile. Once inside, we will create a new record. Click the button to add a maintenance request. In the form, briefly describe the issue and identify the equipment that is failing. It is essential to be clear so the technical team can understand the situation. As visual support, you have the option to attach a photo and add additional comments to better detail the report. If the issue requires immediate attention, make sure to check the urgent box. This will prioritize your request in the system. If email notifications are configured in your profile, the system can automatically notify other users about this request. Once finished, click Accept. You will be redirected to the main list, where you can view the status of your requests. You can easily identify your reports. A red icon indicates that the request is urgent, while the magnifying glass icon allows you to view the attached photo. That's it. Your maintenance request has been successfully submitted.